Hi friends, welcome to our new episode of Employment News for BTech Mechanical Engineers 18 January 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. In this video, we are included 9 government jobs, 5 private jobs and 4 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this first government jobs, in government job, first job is supervisor technical operation mechanical at India Government Mint SPMCIL Kolkata. Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited is a mini Ratna category 1 central public sector enterprise company wholly owned by Government of India. Objective of the company is designing, manufacturing, printing, security documents, currency and banknotes, non-judicial stamp papers, minting of coins, postage of stamps, etc. India Government Mint Kolkata is looking forward to recruit high caliber and talent professionals. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Pay and allowances is 26,000 to 1 lakh in industry DA pattern of pay scale plus other allowances. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancies are 10. Application fee is 600 for general and 200 for SC/ST candidates. Selection process. Initially, candidates shall be called for an online examination. Selection to the post will be done on the basis of online examination, which will be of objective type. Total marks of the online examination will be 150. The final selection will be made on the basis of merit list as per marks obtained in online examination. How to apply? Applicants to visit IGM Kolkata website as shown on screen and open the link under career. For filling the online application form, click on the option apply online from 20th January 2021 to 19th February 2021. Next is executive grade 2 project at Utkarsha Aluminium Dhatu Nigam Limited UADNL. UADNL is a joint venture company promoted by NALCO and Midhani, is incorporated under the Companies Act 2013. The company is setting up a high-end aluminium plant at Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh with a production capacity of 60,000 metric tons per annum. Now UADNL is looking for suitably qualified and experienced candidates on fixed term contract basis for period of 3 years. Pay and allowances is 48,500. Experience required for the post is 2 years. Age limit is 30 years. How to apply? The interested candidates may apply in the prescribed format available at the website as shown on screen. Along with the copies of relevant documents should be sent by post to reach the address as shown on screen on or before 2nd February 2021. Next is Section Engineer Mechanical at Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation Limited. Maha Metro is a joint venture company with the equal participation from Government of India and Government of Maharashtra is implementing Nagpur Metro Rail project and Pune Metro Rail project in the state of Maharashtra. Maha Metro is inviting applications from Indian nationals for the operation and maintenance of Department of Pune Metro Rail project on the regular basis. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Scale of pay is 40,000 to 1,25,000. Age limit is 28 years. Application fee is 400 for general category and 150 for SC/ST women candidates. Knowledge of Marathi language in read, speak and write is compulsory. Selection procedure. The selection methodology will comprise of 3-stage process: online test, personal interview followed by medical examination. Details of medical examination are also available in Maha Metro's website as shown on screen. How to apply? Candidates are required to apply online through website of Maha Metro as shown on screen. The online registration shall remain active up to 21st January 2021 only. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Management trainee mechanical at National Fertilizers Limited last date is 21st January 2021. Junior executive technical at Airport Authority of India's last date is 29th January 2021. Project Fellow 1 at Central Manufacturing Technology Institute, Bangalore's last date is 29th January 2021. Combined Graduate Level Examination 2020 at Staff Selection Commission's last date is 31st January 2021. Probationary Officer at Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, ECGC Limited's last date is 31st January 2021. Boiler Inspector Grade 1, Grade 2 and Forest Ranger at Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission's last date is 14th February 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description also. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is PLC operator at Heritage Foods Limited, Andhra Pradesh. Heritage Group, founded in the year of 1992, is one of the fastest growing public listed companies in India with 6 business divisions: dairy, retail, agri, bakery, renewable energy and VITSA under its flagship company Heritage Food Limited. The annual turnover of Heritage Foods crossed 2,344 crores in financial year 2017-18. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary offered are 50,000 to 1,25,000 per annum. Desired candidates profile: D.Tech in Mechanical Engineering, preferable in Andhra Pradesh candidates, proper communication and good knowledge. Role is service or maintenance engineer. Industry type is agriculture or dairy. Function area is production. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates should apply through their website as shown on screen or through the direct link as shown on screen. Next is Product Expert Associate at Byju's App, Bangalore. Byju's is the world's most valuable education technology company. Our unique and personalized learning program have been created to help students become better and active learners. Pioneering tech-enabled learning since 2015, Byju's has made learning interactive, interesting and effective. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 4 year. Salary offered are 5 lakh to 6 lakh per annum. Role is Product Expert Associate. Industry type is education teaching. Function area sales retail. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can apply through their website as shown on screen. Next is Engineering Designer at John Crane, Bangalore. John Crane is an American company, now subsidiary of Smith Group and provider of engineered product and service including mechanical seal, coupling, hydrodynamic bearings, seal support systems, filtration system and artificial lift. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 3 years. Location is Bangalore. Job reference number is given in the screen. Job description: under direct or indirect supervision, performs a variety of design tasks using the Solid Edge software. These may include customers' GA, proposal drawing, sketches or component drawing for manufacturing. All work is expected to be managed to agreed targets and be the highest possible standards. Error-free design. Role is engineering designer. Industry type is mechanical lead. Function area is production. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can apply through their website as shown on screen. Next is BOE Engineer, Power Plant at Sukhbir Agro Energy Limited. Sukhbir Agro Energy Limited is a 3,000 crore professionally managed business group with interest in diverse business including rice processing, warehousing, solar energy, biomass energy, exports, organic farming and palm oil extraction, etc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 3 to 8 years. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Job responsibilities: operation and maintenance of a boiler, monitor and maintain boiler, inspect fluid, repair boiler machinery, replace boiler parts, record daily readings, etc. Role is service or maintenance engineer. Industry type is oil and gas. Function area is production. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates should send their latest resume to the mail ID as shown on screen or can apply through their website as shown on screen. Next is engineer at Vestas, Chennai. Vestas Wind System AS is a Danish manufacturer seller installer and servicer of wind turbines that was founded in 1945. Vestas designs, manufactures, install and service wind turbine across the globe with the more than 113 gigawatt of wind turbine. In 81 countries, they have installed more wind power than anyone else and employs more than 25,000 people globally. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 3 years. ID of job is 13368. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Competencies: ability to read, understand, communicate engineering drawing and technical specification, exposure in handling production documentation, experience with the selection, qualification, negotiation and contracting with the suppliers, experience in supplier consolidation and cost out projects, etc. Role is engineer production. Industry type is wind turbines, a production plant. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can apply through their website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs in my description also. That's all for the private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. Apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice at Bharat Electronics Limited, Bangalore. BEL is a Navratna company and India's premier professional electronics company under Ministry of Defence invites online application from eligible BTech holders in engineering hailing from Karnataka state for undergoing 1-year apprenticeship training under the Apprenticeship Act. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates should pass engineering on or after 2018. Number of posts are 100. Place of training is Bharat Electronics Limited, Bangalore. Maximum age is 25 years. Stipend offered are 11,110 per month. Selection procedure. Selection shall be based on the merit as per marks secured in the degree course. Then shortlisted candidates shall be intimated through their registered email ID or SMS. The list of shortlisted candidates will be published in the website as shown on screen. The shortlisted candidates have to appear for a certificate verification at establishment premises. How to apply? The candidates are mandatorily required to register NATS web portal as shown on screen. Interested candidates can send their application in the prescribed format along with the set of copies of certificate and Aadhaar card to the address shown on screen on or before 23rd January 2021. Next is graduate apprentice training at Instruments Research and Development Establishment IRDE DRDO. IRDE is a laboratory of DRDO located in Dehradun. Its primary function is research and development in the field of optical and electro-optical instrumentation. Their objective is to develop products like night vision devices, electro-optical surveillance and fire control systems. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates who have passed in the year of 2018, 19, 2020 are only eligible to apply. Age limit is 28. Stipend is 9,000. Selection procedure. Selection shall be based on the merit as per marks secured in the degree course. Details of shortlisted candidates will be published in the DRDO website. How to apply? Interested eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. Then candidates should send scanned copies of certificates with duly filled application form in the single PDF file to cao@irde.drdo.in. Duly filled application form with enclosures should send to the director IRD Raipur Dehradun on or before 1st February 2021. Next is some last dates of apprenticeship training already informed in previous videos. Graduate apprentice at Northeast Electric Power Corporation Limited's last date is 25th January 2021. Graduate apprentice trainee at Gas Turbine Research Establishment of DRDO's last date is 29th January 2021. That's all for this week's employment news video. As you know from our channel Mech Engineering World, every Monday morning we will upload new employment opportunities for mechanical engineers, and every Thursday evening we will upload government and private jobs for diploma mechanicals. Next employment news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.